going on this evening, family? Black Feniks checking in at the headquarters right now, working on my skid design. Had to do a couple things. You know, anytime you're working on your prototype of something, you know, you're gonna have different times where you're gonna stop and redo and move. So I come up with a couple smooth ideas as I was doing. I'm like, nah, I need to add this on it, I need to put this. So just to make it more convenient and easier to deal with. So I moved my deals back some more. My reel's gonna go on the front here, and then my power cord's gonna go on the side, and my auxiliary cord will go on the other side on the other pole. So I made it so that I can utilize everything, still have space. You know, I didn't want it to be bulky. I didn't want to have things on here I didn't need, but I wanted to make it where I could actually utilize it. So I got everything on there. I got to weld my chains on there now, and pretty much got it welded up. Like I say, add a couple small things and get ready to bolt all my stuff on there, and it's ready to go. But that's what I'm doing today, man. Getting my hog on at the headquarters, building this so that way I can be more mobile and more stable to get a bigger bag. So when I'm doing different jobs, I can easily load it up with a crane, load it up with a forklift. I got 4 different picking points: the front, the back, and with the lifting eyes. So I still got to cut my holes in for my lifting eyes. I just got my pieces up, and I'm saving like the last couple things to the end. So I got a few more things to do, man, and I'm gonna paint it all and get it ready to make some money. Hold on.